Looking to upgrade your everyday carry? This year brings a wave of innovative EDC gear and gadgets designed to enhance convenience, functionality, and style. From multi-tools and smart key organizers to compact flashlights and wireless chargers, these 21 smart EDC essentials are worth every penny. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who values efficiency, these must-have items will keep you prepared for anything. Discover the best gear to elevate your daily routine. Body odor can lead to discomfort, social anxiety, and self-consciousness, affecting confidence in daily life. The LSHOW Plasma Deodorizer offers a revolutionary, chemical-free solution using advanced plasma technology to effectively eliminate odor without irritation. This non-contact device provides quick deodorization, leaving a long-lasting fresh sensation on multiple areas of the body. Safe and gentle for all, it operates silently and efficiently, making it a discreet yet powerful choice for maintaining personal hygiene. With a high-efficiency battery that lasts 90 minutes on a single charge, it is durable, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly. Stay fresh and confident in any situation, whether at work, on a date, or during exercise. Navigating daily life, capturing memories, and staying connected have never been easier with the power of AI. Meet the Loomos AI glasses, your ultimate smart assistant, equipped with ChatGPT for real-time advice, a 16-megapixel camera for stunning captures, and 1080p video recording for preserving valuable moments. Enjoy hands-free convenience with voice-activated commands, hi-fi open-ear audio, and a 3-array microphone for crystal-clear calls. The magnetic sunglasses clip adapts instantly for outdoor use, while built-in transcription and summarization features boost productivity. With 40-hour standby battery life and a secure, privacy-focused design, Loomos seamlessly integrates into your life as your memory hub, creative partner, and work assistant, all in one stylish wearable. A good oral care routine should be effortless, convenient, and effective, no matter where you go. Introducing the Upplang Portable Electric Toothbrush, designed as the perfect travel companion, featuring a next-gen design with a fireproof case and an innovative opening for easy access. Its curved base and dual-sided toothbrush head provide an interactive experience, ensuring thorough cleaning for all tooth types. Powered by the latest 14mm motor at 42,000 revolutions per minute, it offers superior cleaning with a unique suction mechanism and no bristle contact. Waterproof, compact, and available in various colors, it fits effortlessly in any bag, making it an eco-friendly and stylish solution for on-the-go oral hygiene. Seeing the world up close reveals hidden beauty and intricate details often missed by the naked eye. The Cinnotown clip-on macro lens offers a new perspective with its 16mm 4x magnification, turning your smartphone into a powerful macro photography tool. Compact and portable, this high-definition lens provides true color reproduction and a 108-degree direct viewing angle for stunning visual effects. Its waterproof front end allows for underwater shooting up to 140mm deep, making it ideal for creative exploration. Equipped with a ring, LED fill light, and a slim design perfect for small spaces, this easy-to-assemble lens brings the microscopic world to life with clarity and precision. Staying organized while carrying your essentials efficiently is crucial for a seamless everyday experience. Introducing the PD EDC Vault 2.0 modular bag, the ultimate solution for effortless organization, instant access, and customizable storage. Made from supremely durable, waterproof 1000D nylon with a PU coating, it ensures maximum protection for your gear. Designed for versatility, the modular system allows for personalized configurations with removable Flex Pro and Mini Light panels. Inspired by book pages and folders, it provides structured yet adaptable storage. Whether for daily essentials or travel, the Vault 2.0 maximizes haul capacity while maintaining a sleek, stylish look, making it the perfect companion for any lifestyle. Maintaining optimal oral hygiene is essential for a confident and healthy smile. The ZERA Sonic X Portable Flosser combines powerful cleaning performance with a compact, travel-friendly design to provide a professional-grade experience anywhere. Equipped with a powerful impulse motor and innovative air pump technology, it effectively removes tartar and debris. Featuring 3 intelligent modes, Turbo, Pulse, and Standard, it adapts to your dental care needs. Easily swap nozzles for a customizable experience, while the waterproof rating ensures safe use in any setting. With a long-running battery and lightweight construction, the Sonic X Flosser delivers effortless, deep cleaning, making it an essential companion for both home and travel. Power surges and water damage can put your devices at risk, making reliable protection essential. Meet the KPQ Portable Surge Protector, a compact yet powerful solution designed for safety and convenience. Weighing just 0.44 pounds, it features waterproofing, ensuring protection against moisture. The transparent design showcases its advanced mechanical trigger copper contacts, keeping internal components safe. With a 0.35-inch flat plug, 1 AC outlet, 1 USB-A, and 2 USB-C ports, it provides versatile charging for multiple devices. The smart internal drainage system prevents water buildup, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Stay powered and protected with this innovative, travel-friendly surge protector. Working efficiently on the go can be a challenge without the right setup. Introducing the MifMDem Mobile Plate, a portable, wearable carrier bracket that transforms any environment into a functional workspace. Designed for mobility, it sets up in just 5 seconds, allowing you to work anywhere. Weighing only 0.7 kilograms, its lightweight aluminum construction is strong, yet easy to carry. A built-in powerful magnet ensures secure fixing, while its robust structural design supports up to 10 kilograms. At less than 2 centimeters thick, it fits effortlessly into any bag. Whether processing data in real time or working outdoors, the mobile plate elevates productivity and expands your workspace possibilities. Carrying essentials on the go should be effortless and fast, without the hassle of traditional zippers. The MagGo Air zip-free bag revolutionizes everyday carry with a sleek, magnet-powered design for instant, one-handed access. Built for speed, comfort, and versatility, it features super strong magnets that replace zippers, ensuring a seamless experience. The amber space interior keeps your valuables organized, while the EVA shield provides extra protection. With IPX3 water resistance, your belongings stay safe in any weather. This innovative bag transforms from a sling to a waist bag, adapting to any situation, whether you're commuting, biking, or traveling. Stay stylish, hands-free, and always ready with MagGo Air. Seamless multitasking is essential for modern professionals who work across multiple devices. Introducing the Tsupy Next-Gen Workstation, a game-changing solution that enhances productivity with dual device control, ultra-clear 4K display support, and an ergonomic design. Equipped with a high-performance chip, it ensures smooth operation without lag. With a single keyboard and mouse, effortlessly control 2 computers, switch between devices at the press of a button, and drag files seamlessly between systems. Its multiple interfaces guarantee compatibility across various devices, while 360-degree flexible rotation maximizes workspace efficiency. Say goodbye to clutter and delays. Tsupy transforms your workflow, making multitasking faster, smoother, and more intuitive than ever. In today's fast-paced world, adjusting your eyewear to changing light conditions is crucial for maintaining comfort and visibility. The Innoverse Tint Control Eyewear offers cutting-edge technology with manual and automatic control for optimal tint adjustment. Featuring ultra-sensitive infrared sensors and a high-performance processor, it provides contactless, stepless tinting for enhanced vision in any light. The dual-mode, adaptive control ensures continuous optimal visibility while offering UV protection, anti-blue light, and polarization. Designed for comfort and durability, these lightweight eyewear is shockproof, sweat-resistant, and scratch-resistant. With advanced battery management, the eyewear supports 16 hours of usage on a single 30-minute charge, ensuring seamless performance throughout the day. In today's world of technology, controlling digital devices effortlessly without touch is a game changer. The CenWatch Telekinesis band makes dreams a reality. empowering users to control their devices with just hand movements. This advanced band uses cutting-edge laser radar and high-precision sensors to track the slightest finger movements, converting them into commands in mid-air. Compatible with AR glasses, it enables actions like sending emails, replying to messages, or jumping into Zoom meetings without touching a screen. With features like multi-finger typing, page turning, and device switching, this innovative band delivers seamless, hands-free control, revolutionizing the way we interact with digital devices. Experience the future of technology with CenWatch. In everyday carry scenarios, having the right tools at your disposal can be a game changer. The MecArmy EDC screwdriver set is designed for ultimate convenience and durability, offering a compact and efficient solution for everyday repairs. Made from high-quality materials like titanium alloy, CPM 3V steel, and a 2 high-hardness steel. This set includes a variety of screwdriver bits, including PhotoTag, SL 3.5, T6T8, and flathead, all compatible with 4mm bits. The set features a hidden screwdriver bit design, ensuring ease of access and a minimalist aesthetic. It also includes a pry bar, bottle opener keychain, lanyard bead, and back clip, making it versatile and ready for any EDC need. In today's fast-paced world, charging multiple devices efficiently and simultaneously is essential. Introducing the ChargeUltra foldable wireless charger, a cutting-edge solution that allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once. This versatile charging station is compatible with MagSafe and Qi 2 devices, offering 15-watt fast wireless charging for your phone, 3 watts for your smartwatch, and 5 watts for earphones. Its foldable and portable design makes it easy to carry, while the high-quality aluminum shell ensures durability. The charger also features a built-in phone stand with a 360-degree viewing angle, keeping your devices organized and your workspace clutter-free. Simplify your charging routine with this smarter, faster, and more convenient option. In today's world, keeping track of your belongings is more important than ever. Meet the PhotoTag e-ink tracker, a unique and powerful tracking device that combines functionality with personalization. Featuring a color e-ink display, it allows you to upload images or save contact information, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. This tracker offers up to 10 months of battery life without consuming power for the display. It syncs seamlessly with both Apple and Android devices, making it accessible to most users. Waterproof and durable, it's perfect for any environment. With easy retrieval and customization options, this tracker ensures your items are always within reach. Accurate leveling is essential for various tasks, but holding tools in place can be tricky. The Hozo M-Cube 02 anti-gravity laser level redefines the leveling experience by combining anti-gravity technology with precision. With its powerful minus 55,000 Pascal suction power, it sticks firmly to most wall types, allowing you to level and measure without the need for constant adjustments. Its 360-degree rotation and built-in angle sensor detect even the slightest movements, ensuring precise results every time. The M-Cube 02 is also equipped with horizontal and vertical bubbles for traditional leveling, and the mark-free mounting system makes it easy to achieve perfect alignment with ease. Expand your M-Cube ecosystem for endless possibilities. Carrying and using your iPad efficiently requires both protection and versatility. The JINGSHAN magnetic iPad case offers a sleek solution that combines convenience, functionality, and durability. An adjustable magnetic stand provides multiple viewing angles for an ergonomic experience, whether you're working or enjoying content. The built-in Apple Pencil holder keeps your stylus secure, while the integrated hand strap makes it easy to carry. Additionally, the case features a card holder for extra storage and a foldable design for portability. Perfect for on-the-go professionals or creatives, the case ensures your iPad stays protected and functional wherever you are. Finding a comfortable yet stylish shoe that can withstand daily wear and tear is essential. The VRSN Everyday Sneaker Shoe offers a perfect solution, combining comfort, versatility, and durability. With a natural rubber outsole, a sweet foam EVA midsole, and custom-molded Ortholite insoles, These sneakers provide exceptional comfort, whether you're walking 20 steps or 20,000. The breathable, stain-repellent and machine-washable recycled Flynet fabric ensures your shoes stay fresh and clean. Featuring no tie laces for easy on and off, these shoes are ideal for any occasion. Shockingly comfortable and stylish, they're designed to look great and stay durable throughout your busy day. Cycling can be physically demanding, especially when climbing uphill or on long rides, but there's a way to make it easier. Meet the LIVALL PikaBoost e-bike conversion kit, a portable, smart solution that transforms your regular bike into an electric one. It features a friction wheel, battery compartment, and control circuit in a compact design that fits into your backpack. With 3 riding modes, cruise, roll, and exercise, PikaBoost adapts to your needs, assisting when needed, especially on inclines, and can also assist with self-charging through regenerative braking. It's waterproof, user-friendly, and helps reduce pressure on your knees while providing a smooth, energy-efficient ride. A compact and organized solution is essential for efficiently carrying acupuncture tools for indoor and outdoor use. Meet the GoFo TCM ACU Go Bag, a lightweight, travel-friendly bag designed to hold all your acupuncture tools. It's simple. Functional design allows you to easily carry everything you need for your practice. The bag unfolds to reveal an organized interior, keeping tools securely in place. Its inner bag is the perfect size for your acupuncture equipment, with a scroll designed to keep tools safe and accessible, making it the ideal choice for daily use and travel. Poor sleep can lead to fatigue, irritability, and decreased productivity. Introducing the Aura Smart Sleep Mask, designed to provide a luxurious, restorative sleep experience. This sleep mask combines immersive sound and light therapy to help you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Its soft, cozy fabric ensures 100% blackout, promoting natural melatonin production. The built-in LED light and temporal speakers offer light therapy and soothing soundscapes to ease you into deep slumber. With its sunrise wake-up feature and intuitive controls, Aura ensures a peaceful, painless morning. Experience the ultimate in sleep health and well-being with this innovative, comfortable sleep tech.